Good one, Ella. Good one, Bella. That's a good one. Yeah. Oh, good one, Ella. Good one, Jack. You're not snoring as bad, though. They say the two girls are the winners. Yeah, those two girls are the winners. Our snoring contest.